think that's a really pertinent question. I mean, at its heart, insurance is a social good, but it's basically people pooling money together and to help people in their time of need, right? Whether that's home breaking or car damage, etc. However, the whole industry is plagued with conflicts of interest, lack of transparency. So I think it's now one of the most hated industries across all industries, and it's almost seen as a necessary evil rather than a social good. However, I mean, do have hope because I think there's a whole bunch of new insurtechs that are building these amazing brands and using technology to try and counter some of those transparency and some of those, adverse conflicts of interest. But I do think there are some big challenges because insurance is unique. You pay for something, you don't really get a benefit unless something bad happens. And I think, unfortunately, it's played with a quite old school mentality where it's not been that attractive for new people. But if insurtechs can continue to attract new talent, younger talent, to try and give it a bit of fresh air, I do think that it can become, rebuild customer trust across different markets.